How would you like to be able to create a complete affiliate site without having to write a single word of content, without having to find a single image to use, and without having to worry about how to monetize your site? And best of all, you can do it all in less than 3 minutes. Now you might be wondering, well, how is this possible? Well, this is exactly what my new AffiliCreatr software does. It will allow you to build a complete affiliate site without having to get a single word of content, images, or any type of monetization in just a matter of minutes. See, with the AffiliCreatr software, you never have to worry about content again. Because we know the number one problem people face when creating affiliate sites is getting content. It can be tedious, it can be hard work, and it can be expensive. So what we did is we went out and we built our own article database with over 10,000 articles for you to choose from. Now again, with this database, you have over 10,000 pieces of content at your fingertips to add to your site. And to add to that, we also added the ability to add trending news from over 75,000 different worldwide news sources. So you can easily add trending news to your site and have all the content you need. Then we added the ability to grab articles from any RSS feed you would like. So you can take any RSS feed you want and use that for your content as well. And then to make it even easier, we also added access to over 1.9 million images for you to choose from. And if that wasn't enough, we gave you the ability to automatically monetize your site as well. Now I know this seems like a huge claim to be able to go out and create a complete affiliate site in just minutes without writing a single word of content. So I'm going to show you how it works right here on the screen and build a site for you. So I'm here at a demo site I just set up for this example, and you can see there's nothing found. I'll hit refresh and you can see the site is completely empty. It is brand new. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and create this site using the AffiliCreatr software. So I'm just in the back end of my WordPress site and I have AffiliCreatr installed. So now again, I can add articles from our article database, I can add news, and I can also import RSS items. So I'm going to go to articles import first, and I am doing a fitness site. So all I need to do is type in fitness, I hit search, and it's going to go out and search our database of articles for related content that we can add to our site. So for any of these, I can just check them off if I want to add that to my site. I can give it a category, let's do fitness. And then I can add a feature image with over 1.9 images to choose from. So I'm just going to type in fitness, and I can add an image to use, and I'm done. And I can do that for each of these articles. So again, I just choose an image. Then we have one on heart rate monitors. And then all I need to do is simply choose if I want it to be a post or a page. So I'm going to do post. I'm going to hit import. And just like that, I will have 4 new pieces of content on my site. So if I come back over here and I hit refresh, and you can see just like that, in a matter of minutes, my site is built. So that is how easy it is to use. Again, I didn't have to write a word of content. I didn't have to find any images. Everything is completely done for you inside the software. Now, in addition to that, like I mentioned, we can also add news. So if I go to the news item, and again, I type fitness, I can do a search and it'll go out and find me related fitness news as well. So I can add, let's say this one here about a new bike that was launched. And again, I can search all of this different news. So here's one about COVID and exercise. So again, I have all of this trending news at my disposal as well. And lastly, we also have the RSS import. So with the RSS feed import, we can go to any website we want. We can grab their RSS feed URL, simply pop it in here, and then hit process, and it'll go out and bring back the related articles they have on their site that we can add to our site. So again, now I can add all of this content as well. So you have just a treasure trove of content at your disposal that you can add to your site, and again, never have to write a word of the content yourself. In addition to that, if we go into the settings, we also have the software hooked up to several different content spinners. So if you want to spin that content that you're bringing in to make it unique, we have that as well. So all you need to simply do is either enter in your best spinner or spin rewriter details, and every time the software adds a new piece of content to your site, it will spin that content to make it unique. And lastly, of course, we want to monetize our site as well. So we have custom ads built in. So with custom ads, all I need to do is enter in my ad once, and it'll go out and add that to every post on my site that the software is creating. So in this example, I just popped in some Amazon ads, and those have been automatically added to my site. So again, if we go back to our test site here, we can look at one of these posts that the software created. And if we scroll down, my Amazon ads are already showing. So I have my Amazon ads there. I have the content. The software automatically added a related YouTube video, and then it put in my Amazon ads at the bottom as well. So now we have a site full of content, full of images. Each post has its own YouTube video, which gives it even more content, and we have our monetization completely done for us. And at any point, I can go back and keep adding more content to the site. So again, in a matter of minutes, I can have a complete done for me affiliate site up, ready to go, monetized, and start earning me commissions. Quite frankly, there isn't an easier way to make an affiliate site than with the AffiliCreatr software. Everything is completely done for you, and you can have your own site set up, ready to go in less than a couple of minutes. So if you're ready to put this software to use and start creating your own affiliate sites, go ahead and grab your copy today.